In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify link in just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up your store for the first time or you need to grab your link for a marketing campaign, this quick guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to Shopify. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the Shopify URL, which will take you to their homepage. If you haven't done this before, you'll find it straightforward and user-friendly. Now, once you're on the Shopify homepage, you'll need to log in to your Shopify admin panel. Use your credentials, which include your email and password. If you've forgotten them, there is an option to reset your password, so no worries there. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the admin dashboard. This dashboard is your command center. It's where all the magic happens and where you control every aspect of your online store. Next, look towards the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin panel and locate the Settings tab. Once you've found it, click on it to open a new menu. This is where you'll manage various configurations of your online store, from general settings to shipping options. But for now, we're going to focus on domains. Within the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Domains. Click on that, and it will take you to a page that displays all domains associated with your Shopify account. This section is key because it allows you to manage the domains you use for your store. On this page, you'll notice your primary domain listed. Most times, it will be the one ending with .myshopify.com. This is the default link to your Shopify store, and it's automatically created for you when you set up your store. This domain is essentially your store's online address, where customers can find you and browse the products you offer. Once you've located your primary domain, you can easily copy the URL. Simply click on the link, and your browser should have an option to copy it directly. With this URL in your clipboard, you can now share it wherever you like, be it in emails, on social media, or in your marketing materials. It's the key link that directs everyone to your virtual storefront. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to find and share your Shopify store link. Remember, this link is crucial for directing traffic to your website, so keep it handy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your Shopify store.